everyone, so today we're going to do a short video on how to unload the dishwasher. Okay, I don't have any cards, so I'm going to kind of talk my way through it, okay? Step 1, make sure the dishwasher is clean. Step 2, open up the dishwasher. Step 3, I like to work on the top level first, and then I like to work my way bottom. So typically on the top level, that's where we have all of our cups and our bowls and also little baby stuff for Harrison. So I like to go through the top level first. Step 4, I believe, would be the bottom level with all the utensils and the bigger plates and cups of also, if you know, the top level's kind of full of cups. All right, after I do that, I am then going to put the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Again, we put our cups, Harrison's items, and also small plates in the top level. And the bottom is where we can find our utensils, a larger plate. If we're using a crock pot, that goes in there, and things like that. So stay tuned, and we will just kind of work through unloading and loading the dishwasher. Harrison, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, so we are going to work on unloading our dishwasher. So we have this magnet, it says clean and dirty. So if our dishwasher is clean, it's on the teal side. If it's dirty, we flip it over and it's on the dirty side. So since Harrison is helping me today, we're going to start on the bottom level. That's where all of our utensils are and our large plates. Now Harrison likes to help, so I'm going to help have him do that. He's going to take some of the utensils out. Mommy's going to take the sharp items out. Here you go, bud. Here's a spoon. Put them away. Thank you. Yep. And as you can see, okay, in our drawer we have a little organizer for our utensils. So Harrison's just kind of dumping them in to the drawer, so I will fix that. All right, so I'll let Harrison continue helping. Thank you. Yeah. Be careful. And if there's anything sharp in your dishwasher, you want to make sure you have your parents helping you with this. Because safety is the #1 thing. I'm going to close it, that way he doesn't get anything else out at the moment. Thank you. You want to hold the straw? Thanks, bud. Okay, can I close this? Oh, thanks. Ready? Let's do plates. All right. So the next thing we're going to do are some plates, okay? So our plates, oh, thank you. He got the cutting board out. So we see plates. There's a hat in there for some reason. And our plates go up. Oh, thanks, Harrison. Up here in this lovely cabinet. So that's where we will be putting our plates. And Harrison, of course, is helping. Oh, I'll take it. Thank you. That might be heavy. I got you. I got it. Thank you. I know. Oh, thank you. Get everything nice and loose. Oh, you can get those. I don't know why Daddy has a hat in here, so. You want to give that to Mommy? Yeah. Mommy, take it. Thank you. Oh, here's some stuff. Alright, so this is what our cabinet looks like now, since we have all of the dishes in there. Now we're going to move on to the top level of our dishwasher. As you can see, we have an assortment of goodies. We have some of Harrison's bowls, some glasses, a sponge, a brush for the sink. So we're gonna put those away. And those are gonna go in our cup cabinet, right up here. So I'm just gonna put this right there. Actually, we're gonna move, that way you guys can watch us do it. Right here, guys, bear with me because I've never shot a video before like this. Okay, so I have one of Harrison's little bowls. So that just goes in his cabinet, and I will show you his cabinet in a minute. But first I want to get all of this kind of out and organized. There are some things that are still a little wet. So we have a drying spot for them. So I have some glasses. These glasses are going to go into the cabinet that I just showed you. And these glasses are sorted by their size. We have tall glasses with tall glasses, short glasses with short glasses, and then like specialty glasses with specialty glasses. Thank you. Here's your toy. Thank you. Harrison likes to play with a lot of random stuff. Here's this too. There's yours. Thank you. Alright, so as you can see, our dishwasher is empty. Now I'm going to show you where we keep all of our stuff that's drying. So there's some things that can't go in the dishwasher, like this big old pack here. That can't go in the dishwasher, so we hand washed it. But all of these other items, we put in the dishwasher, but they're just a little wet still, so we are going to let them dry. The next stop is Harrison's cabinet. So we have Harrison's cabinet all up here. So anything that Harrison uses, like his bowls, toothbrushes, his sippy cups, that all stays in here. That way he has his own cabinet. We don't have to worry about mixing things up. Okay, so after I unloaded the dishwasher, I now need to load the dishwasher. So we have some items here in the sink, and we also have something like a crock pot that I have to put in. So I'm going to angle this down. That way you can just kind of see our dishwasher as I load it. Okay, like I said, I have the bowls going in the top. Anything that's Harrison's that's small enough, I have this crate here that is used for the dishwasher. Oops, be careful. Another thing of Harrison's that stays up here in the top rack. Because also the top rack doesn't get as hot as the bottom. Okay. Anything of Harrison's utensils, they kind of go in this little dishwasher crate, or I put them in the utensil crate on the bottom. And the cheese grater that I put in. Now, some people rinse off their dishes before they put them in the dishwasher. That's your own personal preference. If something's really caked on, I tend to rinse it into the sink before I put it in the dishwasher. Now, I completely forgot to get a glass out and some more spatulas. So I'm going to put those in the top, and I think I am ready to move on. So now we're working on the bottom of the dishwasher, where I'm going to put all these plates at. Thank you, Harrison. running low on space on the top, so I'm putting some of these bowls in the bottom of the dishwasher. Now, the struggle doing the dishwasher with an 18-month-old is he likes to take everything out as I put it in. Okay, I have one more thing, and that's the gigantic crock pot. So I'm going to maneuver some stuff around. Okay, excuse me. Now it's on to our silverware. No, thank you. And that is how you clean out, unload, and load a dishwasher. Harrison, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.